So check this out. This is a formula I had wrote for myself, you know what I'm saying, to help me with addiction from cigarettes and, you know, like dopamine, like getting online, social media too much. But, you know, it's each one teach one, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it to y'all right quick. So addiction and dopamine starts at desire, right? So desire, you want to turn your desire, your cravings, your wants, your needs, all those cravings and things, you want to turn that into reason. So once you get to reason, you want to turn it into duality, right? So good or bad. So boom, you go from desire all the way to reason in your mind through your emotions, right? Mind, because it's mind over matter. So desire to reason, and for good reason, I'm going to have the courage to not smoke a cigarette, right? So once I got the courage, I'm gonna apply discipline to my courage. Discipline is a 200 plus, so that's gonna take me to, then I'm gonna go to acceptance, right? So now I accept that I'm not smoking a cigarette, right? So now that I accept it for good reason, I'm gonna maintain that acceptance because I love myself. And because I wanna have peace, I'm gonna just be still. You know what I'm saying? Going to a meditative state, or I'm gonna get in the flow of doing something that I like doing. Because, but they say an idle mind is the devil's workshop, so, or something like that. So let's go back up here though. See that? Let's just say once you have desire on your way to reason, you get caught up on anger or pride, right? So remember, with these two emotions right here, we're only supposed to do two things. Anger is only for burning bridges and setting boundaries. So we're gonna set the boundary and say for good reason we're not smoking that cigarette. Now pride is tied to your ego. So the same thing that I told you to do with your ego, you're gonna do that with your pride. So that means that we turn pride and ego into effort, and effort alone. Effort to do what? The right thing. So we turn that pride into effort to do the right thing for good reason, to have courage and discipline, to accept for good reason that we love ourselves and we have peace with ourselves, so we ain't smoking no cigarette or whatever addiction or dopamine we have to overcome. That's how you transmute emotions. Mind power, mind over matter.